Hello. Welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is to ask a question of a teacher who is not your own. These days, that seems much more likely. You can DM somebody on Twitter or connect to them on Facebook or social media somewhere, send them an email through their webpage, find their address in a webpage, and actually write with ink on paper, send by snail mail a question. Perhaps call them up, perhaps meet them at a workshop, or drive across town and introduce yourself. I say introduce yourself, but perhaps you already know them, but they're not your teacher. But the idea is to not think of a gotcha question, but try not to give them a question that they've had before. So take your time with it. Something novel, something creative, something unique, something that you think might illuminate something. So that the question is an offering in and of itself, where they say, hey, well, never had that question. I never thought of that before, or I haven't thought of that in that way. What an interesting connection. You know what? Where they don't have a ready and pat answer. You're not trying to put them on the spot and film them and catch them saying, but you're offering an opportunity for them to receive something they haven't received. The question itself is a gift. I have a interview series called The Gift of Questions. It's based on this idea. So look for that on YouTube or Patreon. And if you already know them and the question doesn't particularly illuminate the art, it may illuminate the person, right? So it's an offering. So connect to a teacher who's not your own. Thank you very much. And maybe say something kind to their students. Thank you.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán Tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.